In this video, I'm using Logger Pro 3.16. I'm going to show you how to add a second series of dots. So in this case, you can see I've already put in a whole bunch of dots here. I've used a tennis ball. If I go back to the beginning of my video, you can see I actually have a tennis ball and an orange ball. Now I'm going to move it forward to, it's just going to start moving. And you can see I've put a couple of dots there already. So I've already done the tennis ball and I want to do the orange dots. What I'm going to do is go over here, add point series. So now I'm going to add a second set of points. You can see here, this was the original one, and here's the X and Y. It's going to show me I'm going to set another set of series. Now, when I click on, you can see I've got red dots. And I'm going to click the bottom of the orange ball. It's not moving very many frames. I'm going to just advance the frames myself. I'll go through and I will finish this and speed up the video for you. Okay, so I've added a lot of dots in there. I'm not sure if I've got the exact number of dots each time, but the Logger Pro will, for each dot that I put, record the time and its position. Alright, so my video is in the way, so let me click on the graph. Remember, the video hasn't disappeared. It's just like a piece of paper. It's gone to the background. And for some reason, the dots I've included are still here on this sheet. I'm not sure what the problem is. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up to page. I'm going to add a page exactly the same as the current one. And luckily those dots have disappeared. Now right now it's really hard to see. I have both my X and the Y of my first data points. So X is my tennis ball, X2 is the orange ball, as well as the Y values. And really all I'm interested in is just the Y motion. So I'm going to go here to more, and I really only want to see the Y and Y2. I'll get rid of all the other ones. Again, it's kind of hard to see, and normally I wouldn't suggest this, but let's do connect the dots. Okay, so I've gone up to graph options, and here I'm looking at connect the points. So you can see a little bit easier how the balls have bounced. They started together at approximately the same height, and you can see here that this brown one, or red one, you might want to say, which is Y2, is higher because that ball didn't lose as much energy. And this is how you can graph more than one series on the same graph.